Let us write another question. Write note on Article 17. So, first things to remember: law, the public, untouchable titles. This is 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So, this question is about untouchability. So, Article 17 says untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. The enforcement of any untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form means forbidden, strict words, and the enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be offence punishable in accordance with law. So now let us see more about the Article 17 itself. Now there is something in Article 35 is related to Article 17 with Article 17. Article 35 says, or it empowers Parliament and debars state legislature with reference to laws enactment related to untouchability. This Article 35 suspends entire federal structure just to enforce law against untouchability. So this is the seriousness of the Article 17, which is against untouchability. So how many acts to enforce Article 17? In 1955 we adopted the Untouchability Offences Act. In 1976 we adopted Civil Rights Protection Act. So let us say Article 1970 Civil Rights Protection. 1976 means Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi Civil Rights Protection Act. Then 1989. What happened in 1989? SCs and STs Atrocities Act These are the number of acts that were adopted. Now something about 1989 Act. 1989 Act has been very crucial because most of the news reports, protests, etc. are related to SC and ST Atrocities Act. What does this act say? This act was enacted in 1989, as we know, and it identified disrobing, torturing, torturing, forced eating of obnoxious substances, dumping such substances as offense. However, definitely against the SCs, just to show that they are superior, they torture the SCs. However, so the success of law, or what do we say, NCRB report of 2016 identified or noticed 100% increase in the reported crime because of awareness. So since this was reported in 2014, so watching this success in 2015, Parliament amended law and created new offense like land grabbing of SC and ST, then preventing them from voting or forcing them to vote, definitely, and other offenses like garland of shoes and boycott, etc. was brought under act. Along with this, ensured speedy trial. So this is all about the SCs and STs Atrocities Act. What we have seen: article, untouchability is abolished and its practice is forbidden, and enforcement of any disability shall be punishable in accordance with the law. Means it gave Parliament to make law. The relation of Article 35 and Article 17, it empowers the Parliament and debars state legislature with reference to laws enacted related to the untouchability. Thus, Article 35 suspends entire federal structure only to enforce law against untouchability. And then acts to enforce Article 17, 1955 Untouchability Offence Act, 1979, 1989 SCs and STs Atrocities Act. This act identified disrobing, torturing, forcing obnoxious substances, dumping of substances and NCRB report of 2014 noticed 100% increase in reported crime. And watching this success, 2015 Parliament amended and created laws like land grabbing of SC and ST, preventing them from voting, guidelines of shoes boycott, etc. was brought under the Act to ensure the speedy trial.